All right, ladies and gents, we just got the GoPro. It's a Hero 7 Silver. Excited to see what the film quality is, microphone, video footage, and all that stuff, especially slow-mo. So what we're gonna do today, oh, by the way, we got all this shit. We got a GoPro stick, what came in here? We got a memory card, some attachments, that's the bill. No idea. Oh, stickers. Are there stickers? Oh yeah, nice. These could definitely go on the car. Hell yeah. Also, telescopic stick. Came from GoPro, so should be lit. We're gonna try it out. Now we're gonna attempt to go wash the car. It's freezing rain outside, and we're gonna see how that turns out. The weather's disgusting, but there's a lot of salt on the car, so we're gonna go wash it. Stay tuned. Zoom. All right, so just got to the car wash. First things first, we need a Red Bull. So going in. Not too sure how this car wash works. Basically, it's a self-served. This is it. Car looks like this. There's like grime and all that stuff on the car. Just a bunch of salt. Red Bull. Okay, so it's pretty weird and it's pretty loud out here because there's this dude washing his car right next to me. But the way that they function is basically they give you tokens, and one token is like 2 minutes or 3 minutes, I don't remember. But anyways, we got the Red Bull. Now we're gonna use the GoPro stick. Stay tuned for the cinematic.
Think about it, there must be a higher love down in the heart or hidden in the stars above. Without it, life is a wasted time. Look inside your heart and I look inside mine. Things look so bad everywhere in this whole world. What is fair? We walk the line and try to see, falling behind what could be. Oh, oh, bring me a higher love. Bring me a higher love. Oh, bring me a higher love. Where's that higher love? I keep thinking of. Bring me higher love. Bring me higher love. Oh, bring me higher love. Worlds are turning, and we're just hanging on, facing our fear and standing out there alone.
I know I'm gonna put copyrighted music in that cinematic, but I don't know who gives a fuck. I don't care if YouTube flags me. I have like 5 subscribers, so I don't think it's gonna matter too much. Update, I'm wet. I'm soaking wet. My pants are wet. My shoes are disgustingly wet as well. Everything's wet. The car isn't as clean as I wanted it to be. The thing that I just don't like is how the pipe is constantly running and the hose is constantly spitting out water. So that sucks. The car's not that clean either, so I don't know. Maybe I had higher expectations.
Kisses of the sun were sweet. I didn't blink. I let it in my eyes. Like an exotic dream, the radio playing songs that I have never heard. I don't know what to say. Oh, not another word, just la 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 la. It goes around the world, just la 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 la. It's all around the world, just la 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 la. It goes around the world, just la 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 la. It's all around the world, just la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Don't speed, kids. Don't speed. Okay, so we are currently a little residential sector, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and mount this up to the car right here and see how far we go before it falls off. If it does fall off, I don't know if it's gonna mount. Actually, I lied. I do know it. I tried it before. It is gonna mount, but I don't know if it's gonna hold. This is the first time that I'm actually gonna try it. So first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna wipe this off. And the convenient thing about this is that this car actually has a camera on the side right there under that mirror, so we're gonna be able to see if it falls. Pretty simple to mount this. You just put pressure on it, and let's try and do this with one hand. Nope, impossible. All right, two hands. Oh, okay. All right, so it's currently mounted. This is what it looks like. Let's check inside to see if the camera sees it. Well, oh, that's my butt in the way. Damn! It should be be all right. I don't know. Okay. All right. It's pretty dirty. The GoPro is pretty dirty, but I mean, I religiously tried to shake this thing off and it's still holding on. I tried to floor it when I could, and this thing is still on. It's pretty sturdy. I'm impressed. Especially since I got it off Amazon, I'm pretty impressed. It's a really good product. 10 out of 10 recommend. Holy crap. Wasn't expecting that. Anyways, I think we're gonna end it there for today. One more thing, also guys, smash that like, smash that subscribe button. Actually, no, don't do it. I probably have all of 5 subscribers on YouTube, if that. It's all good. Oh, and by the way, for those who are interested, I drive a 2018 Honda Civic SI with an HFP pack, if that matters. Anyways, ciao. Also, I forgot one more thing. Don't forget to buy my merch. You can get it on shop.japplesauce.com. No, I don't have any merch either.